This video mainly teaches you how to installation the pulse laser cleaning machine. First, check if the machine voltage is correct. Take out the installation accessories from the accessory pack. Power cord, air blow elbow, air tube, key, goggles. Pick up the cleaning gun. Install air blow elbow. The 6 mm diameter tube shall be inserted to a depth of 10 mm, such that it is secured against leakage or disengagement. Insert the other end of the air tube into a filtered air compressor. The air compressor pressure is set at 2- for kPa. Plug in the power cord and turn on the power. Press the emergency stop switch or button. Press the air compressor switch or button. Click to cleaning. Click to password. Click to 1. Click to confirm. Click to swing. Set swing parameters. Click to power. Set laser parameters. Have a wooden board ready and place the workpieces on it for cleaning. Pick up the cleaning gun. Open the protective cover. Please adjust the air tube to 45. Click to air. Check the air outlet status. The paper moving indicates that gas is being released. Close the air. Insert key. Turn on the laser. Click to sway. Click to laser. The laser to workpiece distance is approximately 32 centimeters. Laser activation requires a double press of the switch within 1 second. A single press is ineffective. Cleaning complete. The use of fixtures enhances cleaning performance. Turn off laser. Turn off sway. The protective cap should be placed on the cleaning gun after 5 minutes of inactivity to prevent contamination or damage. Thank you for watching.